Portugal are going now after this. Yeah, one more big side I get clap. I'm sorry for them. You know who? Yeah, I agree. I have to agree with that. Lows on skirt, early start, boy.
Reach! Finish!
Yeah. And it's the goal scorer of the match to step up for this one. To take his second. Let's see what he's gonna do. He steps up. Oh, and that's a beautiful finish. Lovely taken. Second goal of the day for him.
Passes. Or next side. Now go next side with. Let's go, Lamar. Let's go.
It's another opportunity. And that's three. It's a hat-trick for the number 10.
That's it, boy. That's it. Three that.
Very good finisher.
On your day, boy. On your day. There are 4 man on this side, 3.
I'm kick them good from good man, it's not you know. One of two things. And it's sport and it's sky. Good opportunity for catching. Number 16. He has been kicking them very well from the start of the game. Let's see if he can get something from this one. Oh, that's a lovely goal. Tremendous. Beautiful. That's it? I didn't score you and I kick you. Boy, I have a piece of technique. Catching 3. No, my apologies. Starts 3, catching 1. Getting back that goal from a beautiful free kick. And as he's been delivering from the start of the game. The delivery boy.
Hold on, man. Yeah, man. Thank you, man.
Starts
Thank you, man.
4. Catching 1.